Hi, my name is Tim Palmer, and I'm with the Credit Center here in Southport. I'd like to take a couple minutes and talk to you a little bit about why it's important to keep up with your credit score. In the past, I never really worried about mine all that much. When I went to apply for a mortgage, my credit was good enough. When I needed a car, my credit was good enough. When I went to get a in-store credit card, my credit was good enough. Um, the nature of that's changed slightly. Your credit score is being used to not just for your credit worthiness, but for all aspects of your life. Your credit score is used by insurance companies and underwriting, obviously by financing credit companies who are extending credit. It's also used by potential employers, current employers. There's a lot of people that have come up with a justifiable reason to pull credit scores, and they use that number to interpret who you are as a human being. Whether it's right, wrong, or somewhere in between, the fact of the matter is that your credit score is used in all aspects of your life. And you need to keep track of that and take care of it because you don't realize exactly what's going on. Obviously, with identity theft and such, it's a good idea to check your report regularly, make sure someone's defrauding you. But also, there's the fact that the lower your credit score, the more likely it is you're not to get hired, the more likely it is not to get a mortgage or a car loan. Your interest rates are going to be much higher the lower your score is. Um, and there's a number of things you can do if you know it and know the rules that you can do to improve your credit score. Obviously, you need to pay your bills on time, take care of your financial life. But on top of that, knowing what your debt to income ratio is, how close you are to credit limits, and other information such as that, you can really make a big difference in your score by monitoring it and knowing what the rules are. And that's the big reason to keep up with your score at this point in time is both identity theft and it is used to tell people who you are in all walks of life and in all circumstances. And you need to protect that little three-digit number so that you are interpreted as the person you actually are. No one's actually reviewing these files, looking at your payment history, looking at what you do for a living or anything like that. What we're seeing is just that a raw number is used to define who you are. And for that reason alone, it's worth keeping up with and learning the rules and managing your credit score. Thank you. Hope you have a great afternoon.